Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your BMW X5 front grille. This process is straightforward and can be completed with just a few basic tools. You'll need a trim pry tool or a flathead screwdriver, which you might want to wrap and tape to protect your vehicle's finish. Always ensure your hood is open, giving you clear access to the grille's mounting points. Let's get started on transforming your BMW's front end. Once your hood is open, you'll see the top of the kidney grills. There are typically 3 clips along the top edge of each grill. Use your trim pry tool to gently push in and release these clips. After the top clips are free, move to the sides. You'll find 1 clip on each side of the grill. Carefully release these as well to begin loosening the grill from its housing. With the top and side clips released, your attention now turns to the bottom. There are usually 3 clips along the lower edge of each grill. These can sometimes be trickier to access, often requiring you to reach behind and use your fingers to push them upward. If your BMW X5 has a front camera integrated into the grille, remember to gently disconnect its wiring harness before fully pulling the grille away. After all clips are disengaged and any camera connections are safely undone, you can gently pull the grille straight out from the front bumper. Take your time to avoid damaging any surrounding trim. Before installing your new grille, it's a great opportunity to clean the area. To reinstall, simply align the new grille with the openings and apply firm, even pressure until all the clips securely snap into their respective positions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.